too dark out here. I don't have night vision on my camera. Oh no,
like,
the light went off.
The airplane should probably be way over there.
There we go. Now I can see you. Stay there in the light.
The airplane really, like, it went.
Yeah.
Like that.
Oh, does it fly?
It flies.
Oh crap.
Where it will go.
I don't want it to go in my face.
Or maybe we should go way over here.
Over here. I'm gonna stay over here just for a
So
second.
do you guys usually light it and throw it and run?
No, we light it down, and then we run. We leave with a.
He lights it like maybe way over here.
Does he light it, throw it, and run?
No,
Put it on the ground.
you light it on the
Put it
floor.
on the ground
You
and-
put it on the ground, light it, run.
He had a can.
Don't run into each other.
He said you can put it in a can. He usually puts them in a can. He said there's
Logan, back up.
I have no idea. Bailey, get over here. I'm going to.
Bailey.
Bailey, come over here.
No, over here.
Jeez.
Over here.
Run! Run, Mike! Mike, run! Did it get it? What? What happened?
Even those long ones, you know, where you like put the thing.
Yeah.
Logan, that.
I hope he runs. I'm gonna run.
You guys, get back over there by your mom.
I wanna
Way
run.
over here. You know how far it goes. It chased Granny up the stairs, remember?
Oh my gosh, it did. What is that thing called? The airplane?
It won't catch on fire.
Because it's windy. Because it's windy.
You gotta like cover it. You gotta cover it. Like we do. Amy, I hope you're fast.
As long as nobody's right behind me.
It's lit.
It's lit. Watch out.
It's by the cars, too.
That's good.
Again.
Oh my gosh. That scared me, Leonard Skinner.
I don't know.
I thought it was gonna come. When it went up in the air, I thought it was gonna come up and get us. Yeah!
Yeah.
Bailey, get back!
Bailey, Logan.
Get back!
1, 2. Ow.
Don't hurt yourself.
Hello.
That's good that it